to my YouTube channel Agile Trading. Now let me show you today's date and time. So traders, today is 3rd of November 2020 and currently time is 9:51 am. So traders, we have taken our entry in IndusInd Bank in equity segment and we have gone for the buy side with 5 quantities, and you can see this is our target and here is our stop loss. Okay traders, so now we are waiting for the price to give some momentum on either side. Okay traders, so now I am pausing the video, and when it will show some momentum I will update you. So traders, here you can see the price at which we entered into the trade took support from there only, and it is now going upside. So what here we can do is traders, that we will now trail our stop loss to our cost price. Okay traders, so what happened that today we will not book any kind of loss and we will only book profit or no profit, so our capital will be protected from any kind of loss. Okay traders, so now I am trailing my stop loss to our cost price. Okay, so I'm modifying it. Okay, so our stop loss has been modified to our cost price, and let me move this tool also. Okay traders, there is no need, so let's don't do this 0 cause I am not moving this, because what I do is that I make a daily journal of my trading, so I will be required my previous stop loss to mention in my journal. So let it remain this way only, and our stop loss has been trailed to our cost price. Okay traders, so now we are waiting for our target to get triggered. So when it will hit our target I will update you. So traders, currently time is 1:56 p.m. and here you can see traders, I have drawn a rectangle here, and the IndusInd Bank is now, from the morning it is in a sideways momentum and has not hit our target yet or our stop loss. So this is the range which is made by IndusInd Bank traders, which I have drawn a rectangle here. So I am thinking traders that I can trail our stop loss to the some points below this rectangle, because if it gives the breakdown of this range, then there are chances that it will hit our stop loss, so better we can book some of the profit. Okay traders, so let us modify our stop loss to 642.05, and it is modifying our order. And okay traders, so here you can see our stop loss has been placed here, which is some points below this range. So if it gives a breakout, then it will hit our target or it will hit our stop loss, in which we also will get some of the profit. Okay traders, so now I am again pausing the video, and when will it hit our target or stop loss I will update you. So traders, here you can see that our trailed stop loss was triggered here, and even after market closing our target was not achieved traders, which was near this R2. So it's okay, our trade stop loss was got hit and we booked profit. So traders, today let's calculate our today's profit. So our stop loss real stop loss points were 5.75. So 5.75 and our quantities were also 5. Okay, so traders, our today's total profit is 28.75 rupees. So traders, this was our today's video. Hope you learned something from this and enjoyed it. So thank you for watching the video and have a good day.